Yorkson. I'm back with another video. Oh, hey, how y'all doing, my mooka butts? Okay, so listen, we're gonna just get right into it. Men, y'all don't be stroking right. STROKING. Y'all don't be doing that right. Y'all really don't. So there's two types of men. Now listen, you might sit there and be like, oh bitch, what makes you qualified? You got a Uchi. You don't know nothing. I am the strap queen. Okay? I have the girls down. I've strapped them down. Okay? Remember, I've been with a lot of women, especially like long term. Like, guys, there's no OOTD. I'm in my jammies, bitch. I'm in my Eddie, did you have a good night last night? I got toe up. Did you have a good night? Have a good 4th of July. I literally didn't do shit. I got toe up in here. That's about it. Anyway, and like manifested and did all this other, magical shit. But anyway, so listen, man, I'm here to tell y'all. And it's so simple. The one difference, it's so simple. Okay? And I'm going to show y'all. First of all, go get this coffee. If you like diabetes in a cup, go get the coffee. If you don't like diabetes in the cup, then don't get the coffee. Yes. Iced decaf. Because I'm hyper enough, so I don't need any fucking caffeine. Iced decaf, 2 caramel swirl, 2 French vanilla swirl, 2 butter pecan swirl, 3 sugars, 3 creams, with strawberry cold foam. Anyway, okay, so men, listen up. Now, when you are pleasing your woman, right? Oh, let me move the stuff off the couch. Because some stuff on there y'all can't see. My bad, babe. Give me a minute, baby. Hold on, child. Hold on, baby. Hold on. Okay. Now, so there's 2 types of men, right? And I'm gonna show you in the most simple way that I can show you. Okay? There's men like this. Okay? You pick it up when I'm putting it down, right? And there's men like this. You want to be the second one. Okay? Because nobody likes that. Like, I'm so serious. Like, it's not fun. Like, you don't really enjoy it as much. Like, when you do the second one, like, you are hitting every spot in that girl's soul that you could possibly hit. It's deeper. It's better. It rubs against our, the thing that sticks at that. And it just feels so much better. And when I tell you, I can literally count on one hand how many men have actually fucked me like that. And it was more enjoyable. The last one that actually fucked me like that was the one that I told you I had to get a restraining order on. That one. Yeah. Anyway. But so anyway, okay, so I'm gonna just teach you how to do. So okay, first I want y'all to go look at my how to move your hips tutorial, because that will really, really help. So it's literally moving your hips, right? So also, you can't have your legs closed, right? If your legs are closed like this and you can't really get the body wave down. You can't get like the grind motion down because your legs are together. So you have to spread, squat a little bit, and then and it's literally like a body roll. So knees apart, legs spread, okay? And you start with your chest kind of, and then you see what I'm saying? You start with your chest. Your chest is the first thing that pokes out. So it's head up, chest out, and then the rest kind of follows. So this, like that. Okay, and you're going to do that every time you stroke, okay? Laying down. It's literally the same thing. And not only does it look good, but it feels better. You'll be on some Chris Brown take you down type shit. I'm telling you right now, it feels so different when a man knows how to properly STROKE. seriously, like, it is a completely different feeling. And it's easier to do actually when you lay down. So it's the same thing. So you lay down, right? You want to stay on, you want to kind of put your weight on this because you're going to be like, you know, above her. And then it's the same thing. Like, you just, no. Oh, the universe knew not to make me a man. Oh, they knew that, baby. But it's okay. You don't want to make me, you don't have to make me a man. I like both regardless. I be doing both regardless. So seriously, sit there and just practice in the mirror. Practice in the mirror. If your body's not moving like a worm, you're doing something wrong. Look up Chris Brown and how he dances and how he body roll, okay? Body roll, body roll, body roll, stroke. Body roll, stroke. Body roll, stroke. Body roll, stroke. Okay? And another tip that I got for you. So when y'all are like on, you know, of us, you guys aren't close enough. I don't know if it's because you guys are scared you're too heavy, or you don't want to suffocate. I don't know what's the reason, but baby, sweetheart, child, chili cheeseburger, you really need to, like, we like the bear hug. Okay, we like that. Like, we like when all y'all weight is on. Like, we love that shit. Like, I hate when a man is, like, you know, on me, and then, like, his arms are, like, up, and there's, like, a space. Like, I hate that. Like, if you want to, like, you know, do that for a little bit so we can look at each other's eyes and shit, yes, that's cute. But, like, the whole fucking time, no, that's just not, it's not as intimate. It's not as intimate. You know what I'm saying? Like, we like the bear hug type things. We like when y'all are, like, directly and then, like, doing, and then y'all are, like, right, like, all over. Like, we really like that. I hate that space shit. That shit pisses me off. Don't do that. Don't do that. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. It's actually very quite simple. So practice your body roll. Go look at my how to whine tutorials, and it's literally that, okay? Remember, head up, chest out, rest of your body's gonna follow. Does that make sense? Cool. I love y'all. My niggas. So yeah, how's everyone's day going? I have no drama. I have nothing. I've been chilling. Life's peaceful. I got a new tattoo on my back, on my lower back, and I can't really show you because I have a romper on. But it's so cute. It's like a bow. What else? Oh my god, guys, like, okay, so y'all know I'm moving to Texas, right? All right, I'm moving to Texas soon. Like, mad soon. Like, mad soon. Like, and, like, so I was just gonna go there and just say, like, fuck it for the first time. But I'm not gonna do that because something else came up and something. That's all I could say. I really can't say much. I can't. But so I'm gonna be flying down to Texas, and I'm gonna be staying down there for a couple days just to see, like, the vibe, see different communities, see where I want to go, where I want to move, where I want to, you know what I'm saying? Guys, it's so surreal. Like, it's so surreal. It's so weird that I'm moving 20 hours away. But I'm so excited. Like, I've never been so excited for something in my life. I'm not even joking. Like, I'm so excited to just, like, be around more people that look like me. I'm excited to be around more people my age. I'm excited to just network, have fun, work, eat good food. Like, y'all are gonna get content like y'all have never gotten content before. Like, y'all are gonna get so much fucking content. Like, y'all gonna be like, what the fuck? Y'all gonna, collabs are coming. Like, y'all about to start seeing me collabing with people. Like, it's finna get serious around here. And I'm excited. I hope I like it. I really hope I like Houston or Dallas or wherever the fuck I plan on. I don't know where I'm going yet. Not Houston. Texas is so fucking huge. What? I don't even know what part I'm going to yet. But yeah, like, I'm just so excited. And I just can't believe I'm doing it. I can't believe I'm really doing it. Like, it's crazy. But I'm excited, man. New things to come, like, growth. Like, y'all about to just see a whole bunch of shit. And I'm excited. Like, I'm excited for all the content that I have already in the works for you guys. I'm really excited. I was nervous at first, but fuck all that. I ain't finna be scared of shit. Fuck that. Okay? I am young, I am beautiful, I have no kids, and I am paid, baby. It's time. It's time. I'm tired of sitting up in this little fucking apartment in Pennsylvania. Like, that's it. Like, trying to squeeze all my fun into 2 months because it's only warm out here for the summer. Like, no. I'm excited to be somewhere where I'm finna have fun all the time. Like, there's no weather change, bitch. But, so, hopefully I like Texas. If I like Texas, I'm gonna be out there for a while. Maybe, like, a year or 2. Maybe 3 if I'm really fucking with it. Then there's a couple places I want to live in. I want to live in Miami. Again, just because I want to experience these things. Miami, Arizona. I might go back to New York for a little bit. For like a year maybe. I don't know though. I really don't like the cold. So that might be a straight up dub. I don't know if I want to do that. But yeah, like that's just a couple places. Like I have a bunch of places where I'm gonna do a little like moving thing. You know, because I want to travel. I want to have fun. I'm young, I'm single, I'm beautiful, I'm money. Like I'm chilling. Like I'm really happy. So fuck am I gonna sit here and be scared? Fear is not even fucking real. Fear is the one thing holding you back from what you really want to do and from what you're really passionate about. That ain't never been me. That ain't never been me. No, I ain't finna be scared of shit. Fuck all that. However, I've never flown on a plane by myself. And I'm gonna go out to Houston for like a weekend. Soon. Y'all gonna see that too. I'm gonna vlog that. But like, I'm low-key nervous as fuck because that I'm nervous. I've never been on a plane by myself. Like, planes already make me nervous. But like, I've only been on planes for like family vacations and shit, bitch. Like, I gotta go. Oh my God. So like, I'm dead nervous. But who gives a fuck? Like, I'm gonna be moving there. I'm gonna be living there. Like, I should at least go visit. Like, what? So, yeah, I'm gonna go. Y'all gonna see me vlog that. And, yeah, don't let nothing stop you. Don't be scared of shit. Fear is not real. Follow your dreams. Fuck the fear. Fuck the anxiety. Fuck the, oh, what if, the negatives. Fuck all of that. You could do it. You better go running 50,000 miles an hour. Go towards your dreams. Go towards your goals. Go toward what you want. Okay? Ain't nothing too big for you. Nothing's too big for you, bro. You can accomplish anything you want to. Don't let nothing hold you back. Because Lord knows, a lot of shit be trying to hold motherfuckers back in this life. Don't let it hold you back. And yeah, that's it. I love y'all so much. I'm finna go get toe up because I did all my work for the day already. And it's already 12:30. I think I like this little life.